See the next question. A function relation f of x plus 2 into f of 1 minus x is equal to 7 plus x. It is given. Using this functional relation, we need to find out f of x for all x belongs to R. So how to find out such function? Here if you see the functional relation f of x plus 2 into f of 1 minus x is equal to 7 plus x. See, the function has two kinds of arguments. F of x is already there, we need this one. F of 1 minus x is to be eliminated, but it is in single variable. So that to solve such questions, we replace second argument with x. That means x is replaced by 1 minus x. Then what happens? F of x plus 2 into f of 1 minus x replaced by 1 minus x is equal to 7 plus x replaced by 1 minus x. Then what happens? F of x plus 2 into f of x is equal to 8 minus x. This is the second equation. Already we have the first equation. So using these two equations, 1 minus x, f of 1 minus x, this is 1 minus x. First equation and second equation, f of 1 minus x is involved in both the equations. So using first and second equation, we can eliminate f of 1 minus x term. So from 1, 2 equations, second equation is f of 1 minus x and the first equation contains 2 into f of 1 minus x. Substitute f of 1 minus x in equation 1, we will get f of x, or 2 times of 2 into equation 2 minus equation 1 implies 2 into f of 1 minus x, that term will be cancelled. 2 into 2, 4 into f of x minus f of x is equal to 8 minus 6 minus 7 minus 6. 8 minus 6 minus 7 minus 6, which is equal to 8 minus x, 8 minus 7, 1 minus 2x minus 2x plus 1. Solving the equation, we are getting 4 into f of x minus f of x is equal to 16 minus 2x minus 7 minus 6. Minus 7 minus 6 minus 3x plus 9. Therefore, 3 into f of x is equal to minus common x minus 3. X minus 3 into minus 3. So f of x is equal to minus 3 cancelled, 3 minus 6. This is the required function. See the next question. Let f of x satisfy the functional relation 2 into f of x plus 3 into f of 1 by x is equal to x square minus 1. We need to find out f of x for all x belongs to R. See here, f of x r minus 0. Here f of x is equal to f of x, given functional relation is 2 f of x plus 3 into f of 1 by x is equal to x square minus 1. This is also first type question. Single variable is there, but the argument should be different. We need to change the second argument so that, as in the same case, replace x with 1 by x. Then what happens? 2 into f of 1 by x plus 3 into f of x is equal to 1 by x square minus 1. So here f of 1 by x term in the second equation and f of 1 by x term in the first equation. We need to eliminate 1 by x terms so that you will get f of x. For that 2 equation 2 into 2 implies 4 into f of 1 by x plus here 2, no, it should be multiplied by 3 to get 6 into f of 1 by x, 6 into f of 1 by x, 3 into 3, 9 into f of x, 3 by x square minus 3. It is multiplied by 3. And equation 1 is multiplied by 2. Implies, equation 1 implies, when it is multiplied by 4 into f of x, 6 into f of 1 by x is equal to 2x square minus 2. So let it be equation 3 and 4. 3 minus 4 implies, 3 minus 4 changes the symbols, plus what we get, f of 1 by 6 1 by x terms cancelled, 9 minus 4, 5 into f of x, 5 into f of x is equal to 3 by x square minus 2 by x square, 2x square plus 3 minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. So f of x is equal to 1 by 5 times of the given equation 3 by x square minus 2x square minus 1. This is the, see another question. F of x, we need to find out f of x. Given the functional relation f of sin theta plus 2 into f of cos theta is equal to tan square theta plus 7, where x belongs to minus 1 comma 1 for function f of x. The functional relation is in theta, trigonometric equation. So how to find out this function? For the functional relation, from this functional relation, we need to find out one function, either f of sin theta or f of cos theta. So that we have to change the second argument as the first argument. That means sin theta should be changed to cos theta. So that we have to replace theta with pi by 2 minus theta. Easily we can get f of sin theta plus 2 into f of cos 90 minus theta, that is sin theta. F of sin theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta, that is a cot square theta plus 7. This is the second equation we obtained by replacing theta with pi by 2 minus theta. This is cos theta plus 2 into f of sin theta and cot square theta plus 7. Now using these two equations we can easily eliminate one quantity, either cos theta or sin theta term. To eliminate cos theta term, in the same previous case, in the similar model, equation 2 is multiplied by 2 and subtracted equation 1. We will get, by doing this, you will get f of 2 cos theta is cancelled and you will finally get f of sin theta. So from doing this activity you will finally get f of sin theta is equal to 1 by 3 times of cot square theta 2 cot square theta minus tan square theta plus 7. You ultimately get this equation by doing that activity. So we are getting the equation f of sin theta is equal to 2 by 3 cot square theta 1 by 3 tan square theta, but we need f of x. So we can change the entire expression into single variable, sin theta or cos theta, whatever it is, single variable it should be. As it is argument is in sin theta, so every term should be changed into sin terms. So 2 by 3 times of this can be written as cos square theta by sin square theta minus 1 by 3 times of sin square theta by cos square theta plus 7 by 3. So that 2 by 3 into sin cos square theta should be written as 1 minus sin square theta by sin square theta minus 1 by 3 times of sin square theta by 1 minus sin square theta plus 7 by 3. So put sin theta is equal to x. Then what happens, as the function is in terms of sin theta, f of x is equal to 2 by 3 times of 1 minus x square by x square minus 1 by 3 into x square by 1 minus x square plus 7 by 3. This is the final result. See, in this problem, f of x is to be calculated from this functional relation. What is the functional relation? F of x plus f of x minus 1 by x is equal to x plus 1. In the same manner, we replace x by second argument. X is to be replaced by x minus 1 by x. So that what we are getting from the given equation, f of x minus 1 by x plus f of, you replace x minus 1 with x minus 1 by x with x minus 1 by x. So x minus 1 by x is equal to x minus 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 1 by x is equal to x minus 1 minus x minus 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 1 by 1 minus 6. 1 by 1 minus 6. This is the functional argument. That is equal to x is replaced as it is replaced x minus 1 by x. Next we see f of x here. F of x is replaced by x minus 1 by x. We are getting the equation as x is replaced by x minus 1 by x. We are getting f of x minus 1 by x plus f of 1 by 1 minus x. As x is replaced by x minus 1 by x, we are doing the calculation, we get this result. And in this also x minus 1 by x plus 1. So the second equation so obtained is f of x minus 1 by x plus f of 1 by 1 minus x is equal to 2 minus x by 1 minus x. But here f of x is not present. So again we have to substitute or replace x by x minus 1 by x in this case. So that by doing that transformation we are getting f of, this result changes to f of 1 by x plus f of x, and this one is replaced by it changes to x plus 1, x plus 1. So here you are getting three equations. Equation 1, given equation, and by applying first transformation and applying the transformation second time we are getting 3. But we have to find out f of x. In first equation and second equation, if you observe first and second equations, x minus 1 by x is there. X minus 1 by x is there in the first equation. This is the common term for the first and second equations. So we have to eliminate these two terms. That means equation 2 minus equation 1. Equation 2 minus equation 1. By doing this transformation we are getting f of 1 by 1 minus x f of 1 by 1 minus x minus f of x is equal to here 2 minus x by 1 minus x minus x plus 1 minus x minus 1. So we are getting this equation, but in third equation and this so obtained fourth equation having the same term f of 1 minus x, f of 1 minus x is common in both equations. So that to get the required equation we have to subtract equation 4 from equation 3. So 3 minus 4 implies equation 3 f of x, by doing subtraction f of x minus term it will be cancelled, minus of minus plus f of x is equal to x plus 1 minus of 2 minus x by 1 minus x minus plus x plus 1. Okay, that implies 2 into f of x is equal to, so 2x 2 into 2x 2x plus 2 minus 2 minus x by 1 minus x. By doing simplification 1 minus x LCM and 1 minus x into 2 common x plus 1 minus 2 minus 6. So by doing simplification you are getting f of x is equal to 2 and 2 cancelled, we are getting this result finally. Here finally we are getting 2 plus x2 minus 2 minus x by 1 minus x. By doing common we are getting this result finally. By simplifying you will get the required function. See, in type 2 questions, two variables are involved. So in this type of problems, let us consider one problem. Find f of x if f of 0 is equal to 0 and f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y. F of x is equal to f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus y into y plus 2x for all x belongs to R. You must remember that for all x belongs to R, x comma y should be R. So that function, whatever the function we are taking, that should be defined for all x comma y. So for doing this one, given function again, given function is, functional relation is f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus y into y plus 2x. We need to eliminate x plus y. How can you do this one? How can you eliminate? Simply we have to keep y is equal to 0. Then what happens? F of x is equal to f of x plus so it will be cancelled in this case. So there should be no f of x. Further to we need to put x is equal to 0. If we keep x is equal to 0, then what happens? If we keep x is equal to 0, f of y 0 plus y, f of 0 plus y is equal to f of 0 plus y square plus 0. That implies f of y, f of 0 plus y, this is f of 0 plus y is equal to f of 0 plus y square. As f of 0 is equal to 0, we can write f of y is equal to y square. That implies f of in terms of x you can write x square. This is the required function. So to verify this one whether it is the given function or not, put f of x is equal to x square in the given functional equation. The functional equation is f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus y into y plus 2x. Suppose f of x is equal to x plus 1 x square, that we f of x plus 1 becomes x plus 1 whole square, x plus y whole square by the given definition. As f of x is equal to x square, by the given definition we can write it is equal to f of x means x square plus y square plus 2xy. This is an identity, so it is entirely correct function for the given functional relation, satisfying the given functional relation, and also f of 0 is equal to 0. That is the condition. See the next problem. That is f of x is satisfying the condition f of xy is equal to f of x plus f of y for all x belongs to R. F of xy is equal to f of x plus f of y for all x comma y belongs to R. So find f of x. For that, the given relation is f of xy is equal to f of x plus f of y. To find out f of x, we have to eliminate this term, f of xy term. As the function is given in this way, if you can apply for y is equal to 0. If y is equal to 0 is applied, then f of 0 is equal to f of x plus f of 0. As it is valid for all x belongs to R, for all x comma y belongs to R, these two terms gets cancelled and simply we get f of x is equal to 0. Trying the next sum, that is find f of x which is a quadratic equation. Here it is a quadratic equation satisfying the relation f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus y minus f of x is equal to 8x plus 3. This relation is satisfied by a quadratic function. So that to find out the quadratic equation required, we need to assume f of x is equal to a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, where a not equal to 0. So by substituting this quadratic expression in terms of the given relation, functional relation, we get, as it is given as ax square plus bx plus c, we get by substituting here f of x place means a into x plus 1 whole square plus b into x plus 1 plus c minus f of x means ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 8x plus 3. So by simplifying this one, x square terms a times of x square plus 2x plus 1 plus bx plus b plus c is equal to ax square minus ax square minus bx minus c is equal to 8x plus 3. So ax square and ax square terms cancelled. Here bx plus bx and minus bx are cancelled. Then what remains? Here finally you will get, by simplifying, you will get two ax, finally you will get you will get 2ax plus a plus b is equal to 8x plus 3. That implies by comparing both sides 2a is equal to 8 and a plus b will be equal to 3. As a 2a is equal to 8, a is equal to 4. Put a is equal to 4. 4 plus b is equal to 3. Means b is equal to minus 1. So therefore required function f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Means a means 4x square plus b means minus 1 into x plus c. C is valid for any c belongs to R. It is valid. Any c can be applied to get the quadratic expression.